What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about some crypto news. While Bitcoin's trying to find its footing today, I wanted to talk about some seriously positive things with regards to banks and crypto. There's been a few pieces of news over the last couple of days that I wanted to cover. Before I do, as always, I update the spreadsheet, just the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel that I thought would crush it in this cycle. The first 26 coins I held. I don't hold them anymore, but if you'd invested $100 into each of these and were still holding all that crypto, you'd be in profit for over 36 grand. It's not what I hold, like I said. And if you want to see exactly what I hold, you can come check out Copy My Crypto. What I do there is share every coin I buy, every coin I sell, and how I'm setting up my portfolio, particularly during a time of unrest and uncertainty. Preparing your portfolio for whether it's going to be a bear cycle or a bull cycle is vital. And if you're not sure how to set yours up, or you're not sure what the first thing you're going to do is if it goes bearish, or what the first thing you're going to do is if it goes bullish, then you can see exactly what I'm doing on Copy My Crypto. So check the link in the description, and let's get into it. So first thing is Sebas Bank. Christian Borrell of Seba Bank has been speaking about regulation. And he said, in the medium to long term, I expect engagement with crypto to accelerate, prompted by a clearer regulatory environment. This is something I've been speaking about. Is look, the immediate short term might be to the downside if there's over regulation, but long term it's a positive because you're going to have more money coming into the market. So fundamentally, over time, they will appreciate and value far greater. And what Christian Borrell said is, I expect to see a considerable acceleration in engagement and adoption of digital assets by institutions, prompted by a clearer regulatory environment, as these institutional players will require a regulated counterparty in which to operate securely. And this is, again, one thing I've been touching upon, is that we've got more companies and hedge funds than ever investing in crypto, but a lot of institutions are sitting on the sidelines because they have to comply with regulation. And without regulation, they're fearful of entering this space. So regulation will provide institutions with the clarity to enter into this space. And more money into the market means more price appreciation over the long term. But again, the short term could be bearish if there's over-regulation. So again, like, good news in general, and certainly a good sentiment here. I believe that digital asset banks will be increasingly ubiquitous as the digital economy grows, adapting to the evolving needs of clients and prospects in the fast-paced digital asset economy. And I firmly believe that. And to add to that, what we've seen is a few banks starting to do stuff. So Swiss crypto bank Sygnum has secured in principle approval in Singapore. So Sygnum Singapore was only allowed to offer asset management activities with its CMS license, but now with the latest approval in principle, of course, they will be allowed to enable crypto trading. So Sygnum Singapore is to enable new tools like providing corporate finance, advisory services, dealing with tokenized capital market products and digital assets, as well as offering custodial services for asset and token and security tokens. So with the additional regulated activities, Sygnum plans to offer its tokenization solution in Singapore with an initial focus on the tokenization of fund units. What we will then see is obviously a price appreciation, particularly with regards to NFTs. NFT is a big focus. So future projects are going to include providing corporate finance advice to Web3 platforms and digital creators, as well as work on digital collectibles and non-fungible tokens and metaverse assets. So they even tweeted out, blue chip NFT CryptoPunk 6808 has been tokenized by Sygnum Bank and will be available for trade for Sygnum clients from January 2022 on a secondary market, SygNex. And this is it. We start seeing the tokenization of some top tier NFTs, and all of a sudden that's a tradable asset. Things get very interesting in the NFT space, as if it wasn't already interesting enough with, potentially a centralized NFT exchange in LimeWire, looking like that's going to come to fruition over the next few months. And again, it's just another step digital banks and banks are making in general in terms of providing citizens with greater opportunities to enter into this space. And then to add to that, Nordic fintech Luna has raised $77 million to build a crypto trading platform, and users will be able to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, and Polkadot. So the neobank Luna raised $77 million at a $2 billion valuation and unveiled a crypto launch trading platform. So they're aiming to make crypto trading hassle-free for all Nordic customers, where users would currently have an account with a crypto exchange separate from their bank account. Luna's looking to offer banking and crypto under one roof, and that is the evolution that we're going to see over time. So the Denmark-based fintech already offers checking accounts, loans and borrowing services, investments in stocks and funds, and business accounts for small and medium enterprises. But with this addition, now you've got, again, all their Nordic customers able to immediately utilize the same bank account and invest. It's a transition we were always going to see. It's good to see that this is already beginning, and it will be a matter of time before we're seeing the most well-known banks in the world doing this. But regulation provides clarity, which then provides them with the opportunity to start offering these services. Of course, by the way, they're going to take their slice, but opening up the opportunity to invest in the crypto space for everyone in the world is what's coming. And that banks that move first in their respective nations are going to be the most successful. And the firm last month unveiled actor Will Ferrell as an investor. They've also developed a promotional video featuring Will Ferrell. So again, Luna making really strong moves here as well. So all this just shows that adoption is on its way. And as banks start getting into the crypto space more and more and more and providing that opportunity to their customers, this space will grow. And this will happen in America as well once regulation is clear. This will be the same in the UK once regulation is clear, because banks don't want to miss the opportunity to make a profit in a time where the youngest generation are investing in this space. They are missing an opportunity to take their cut. So good things to see right now. And this is good because, again, long term, this leads to price appreciation and it leads to more investors in crypto. So things are looking up, even if Bitcoin can't decide where it's going today. And that's it from me. Very quick video, just talking about the banks. If you're new to crypto, or even if you've been here a while and you are not sure what you want to hold, you're not sure how to set up your portfolio, come check out Copy My Crypto. It's where I share every coin I buy, every coin I sell, but not just that, how I'm setting up my portfolio and the moves I'm going to make if things go bearish, if things go bullish, as well as when a bear cycle finally kicks in, and a true bear cycle, there's going to be coins that hugely retrace, and I've got a list of cryptos that I'm watching desperately. And the moment that they've retraced enough, or they've onboarded new partnerships, or they've meeting their roadmap, all these things are huge factors. And if they hit the trifecta of those three alone, they've got a hell of a shot of 100x, and they're the coins I'm focused on. So if you want to know what I'm going to be getting in when the bear cycle properly kicks in, come check out Copy My Crypto. Anyway, that's it from me. Take it easy. Bye-bye.